How to fix problems with Shopify shipping zones and rates. Follow the instructions. Set up your shipping zones correctly to include all the regions you want to serve. Ensure each product is assigned to the correct shipping profile. Double-check product weights and dimensions for accurate shipping calculations. Verify that your carrier accounts are properly connected to Shopify. Test live rates by placing test orders to ensure they match your expectations. Make sure no regions are unintentionally excluded from your shipping zones. Adjust automatic discounts or overrides that might interfere with rates. Consider using third-party apps if you need more advanced shipping options. Balance your shipping costs and delivery speeds for better customer satisfaction. Keep your settings updated as carriers and costs change over time. Thank you for watching.